In this video, I will show you guys how can you install IQIYI on your Samsung Smart TV. First step, grab your remote control and press the source tab, as you can see right here. After that, you will need to go to the search bar, and here you will need to type in IQIYI. And as you can see, it's right there. You will need to go and press enter on it. And enter again to install it on your Samsung Smart TV. And as you can see right now, it's done. What you can do next, you can add it to your Samsung Smart TV home screen. So there are just some little extra steps. You will need to go here to the add to home button, press enter, and right now it's on your Samsung Smart TV home screen, as you can see. So that's it. I hope that this video will help you guys, and we will see in the next videos.